We have some great things planned for you, and we're looking forward to seeing what projects you come up with. I hope you are as pumped to be here as we are.
Who's excited for this weekend?
Yes.
So, before we get started, I want to see some hands. I've got some questions. So, first things first, who's here for the first hackathon they've ever been to? Yeah? Oh my God, that's awesome. That's fantastic. Woo! All right. So that means everybody.
Steve, what? How did you sign in? How did you sign in?
Like save.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I didn't know where the link was. So I just gave him a bunch of my laptop.
Thank you.
This is my cardboard castle.
Yeah,
Yep. Thank you for that, Vincent.
That sucks. Thank you.
Yeah, send that to me. And then I'll do it to the volunteer. And then do you know we have extra laptops for volunteers if they didn't have one?
Rachel. That's become my go-to thing. It's like,
Yeah, I'm definitely.
I don't know the answer, but I know who does. Second biggest. Hopefully people have a great time.
Team members, all you guys will have to make an account.
Thank you.
Yep.
Where are we supposed to find it?
Hi. Once like someone's out, you just take it out and then like keep it out. Broke up on camping.
Aha, I was right.
Well, she said so.
Girlfriend.
Be ready.
I'll be back. I'm gonna live stream this whole thing. yeah. You can see, search YouTube, SWHacks. Yeah, SWHacks 17. Yeah, it's on YouTube right now, so you can see.
You know what I mean, though. Stop that.
Hey, live streaming. Yeah, you guys on the air. Yeah. Yeah, see on YouTube. Looks like.
So essentially, like I've got all this imported in.
Hey.
I got all this imported in. Okay. I got a couple of Okay, so now.
I'm gonna make one.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of stuff?
No, like I would want to do that.
We pretty much just want some, so the sorting algorithm is going to be, we don't just like
Oh, somebody even bring a monitor? Oh, never mind. What happened? What happened? Oh, really?
Someone got really angry.
Really?
We had someone else here, and they got really angry and just they took off.
Okay. That's really
I think
savage.
they're switching their major to business.
It's business? Oh, okay. Yeah. So that should be your last hackathon? Okay. Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Junshu. And Junshu, what's your name?
Derek.
Derek, nice to meet you. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Just
Are you doing computer science?
I'm actually like kind of computer science, but more on like digital media.
Oh, right on.
Yeah. I'm a junior. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Cool. So what are you guys doing? Like actually dropping.
I'm gonna
I'm doing
Our
team's doing a smart mirror.
A smart what?
A smart mirror.
Smart mirror. Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna have emails, whatever. We're gonna try to probe music of the smart mirror, and it recognizes that my phone is within a certain range, and then it realizes that it's me. and then it'll say like "Good morning, Albert," and then if someone else steps up to it.
Oh, okay.
But we'll see. Like we can like code in facial recognition. That's what I was going to say. Like a family.
We still have some snacks, sodas, waters. Team Ripple? Ah, cool. Yeah.
Like water.
Cool. Water. Yeah. Seems you guys have a lot of energy. Yeah. Cool.
All day, boy. All day.
Very cool.
Give
I'll
me
pass
Ripple.
it. Some announcement here. This is Arizona. Okay, folks, you are watching the live from SWHacks. Right now, I'm in the Arizona. I think I'm in Arizona ballroom right now. Another room.
And then the way it works is the first pass, you pick up the next pack, and then you pass it to your.
Alright, so I'm not completely off because it's just like transition.
So instead of that, I used the and the TA commented back when they returned it to me. There's like, are we in CSE 230 now?
Background to
You guys are making games or?
I should have brushed was bigger. I want like this whole room to be soaky.
Be careful.
Yeah. Hold on, let's see.
Because they get all like depressed. But they have like wild hair colors and they're kind of like if hobbits actually left the Shire.
That's a girl.
Like goddess of death and future sight.
It really solidifies the idea of rapid prototyping, drag and drop, and component based programming.
Also, if anyone's having this, finding it hard to see, we can like use a mag.
And ran away.
You guys are
Didn't want to die.
At this point, I think.
Close.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he got really close first try.
Is this?
Turn this on. And then you're this is the power switch, and then here's the channel. There's 3 channels. 3 channels.
Hello, man. I want you to say Ben! That's you! Love, 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 I want your love. Yeah. Woo! I want your love, I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love, 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 I want your love. Oh shit! What is that? What is that? Oh man. I want your love, what you would say you need to get there, man. Whoa,
I don't know. I basically just took this off of a table.
There are 1,000 of questions that you can ask similar to these.
So these are some of the
These are
examples.
just some of the
So that's your like yeah. That's your like scenarios.
Oh no, it's rough.
Welcome to Find Logic.
You can start from
Say your first statement.
Sam is older than Jill.
Okay, noted. Next statement.
Peter is younger than Jill.
Okay, noted. Next statement.
John is older than Sam.
Okay, noted. Next statement.
Question 1. Who is oldest?
The devils say answer is Peter.
Yeah.
And the question?
Thank you.
So that you
This is
you
how
can still
Alex-
continue with asking more questions that now he's older than him, then finally what is the answer?
And Alexa also differentiates like when we ask the question and when we tell the input. So we have given that functionality also.
Cool. Yeah. Oh, that's really awesome. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
If you
thank
like
you.
it, vote for it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Experience, all the way to things like tell me about yourself, your location, email address, phone number. Tell me your phone number.
My phone number is 520.
So this is Cody's phone number. So you can there you go, hit me up, bro. So you can just ask it things that any detail in a resume, and you can as a recruiter you can have this one-on-one experience with a resume. So yeah. We also. Hey, hi. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Jordan. I'm Cody.
And I'm Ben.
And we built a project called Resumo. Resumo. Yeah. And so what Resumo does is basically give your resume a voice. So any interviewer or recruiter can talk to, let's say, Alexa or Facebook Messenger and query Resumo, and they'll ask for your name, and they'll be able to ask questions related to your resume. So what are your skills, about yourself, what's your major, and Resumo will tell those persons sort of a first-person context, all those things.
Yeah, so it's almost through kind of an interview perspective, basically, with the Alexa API talking kind of for a natural language perspective. Along with integrating to Alexa, we integrated to Facebook Messenger, so you're able to work with it on Facebook Messenger as well.
So let's say that I want to interview Cody. All I have to do with Alexa is say, Alexa, ask Resumo, talk to Cody.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
Alexa, ask Resumo, talk to Cody.
Hi, I'm Cody. Ask me anything you'd like to know.
What are your skills?
My top skills are Java, C, Python, Mac, Windows, HP,
Resumo will
Solaris,
say
and
what
Common.
Cody's skills are as if it was from the first person's perspective, and you can ask it any number of questions you can imagine that appear on a resume. That's how it works. And we basically took that and we brought it to a simpler platform just in case you don't have an Alexa or any voice bot like that. You can just go over here to Facebook Messenger, the Resumo bot, and let's say, talk to Jordan, right? And here we have, hi, I'm Jordan, we know. And you say, tell me about yourself. And here we'll get the bot back to basically whatever Jordan put for that, it'll spit back out. What is your experience? And we'll have a list of all of Jordan's experiences right here. Quick, easy, simple, and really fast.
So, how can you guys get your analyze your the information from the resume?
So what we have is we partnered with Represent.io, and what that does is it's a resume builder. So we were able to use the API for that to basically pull the JSON, and with the JSON, we then could pick off the certain topics that they had for like tags, I guess you would say, and thus we were allowed to filter our queries and pull everything related to their tags in the JSON.
Cool.
Yep, so it involves WIT for natural language processing, so it can understand what questions you're asking, and then it connects to represent to pull the relevant information. Yep, so we combined Alexa Lambda with Python in the back end to filter between our sources of either Alexa or Messenger to give us certain actions depending on what we're doing, as well as integrated with AI.
Cool. Yeah. Can I try that?
Yeah.
As a random question. Yeah.
So I don't know if we're still in context, so you might have to. So I'll get it started. Alexa, ask Resumo, talk to Cody.
Can you press volume?
Is it? One sec.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Okay, now you can ask.
Yeah. Do you have some work or internship experience?
I have experience as IBM, Spectrum Protect Test Automation intern. IBM, Spectrum Protect SVT intern. Hack Arizona, University of Arizona Steward Observatory, undergraduate engineer. Is there anything else you'd like to know? Welcome to Resumo. Tell me who you'd like to talk to.
What's up, baby?
Yeah,
baby.
Come by. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
What's your experience?
My top skills are JavaScript, AngularJS, Node.js, HTML5, CSS3, D3, MongoDB, Ruby on Rails, Java.
Hello, my name is Henry Mahoney. I am the one-man team. For this hackathon, I was able to build a Taekwondo practice simulator where you can see that it tracks my feet using the Vive controllers. So it's a VR application. It's meant to improve your martial arts and Taekwondo skills. So as you can see, I have the target right there. If I go into the game right now, you can see me putting on the headset. The target is just about right here. But you'll be able to see it on screen. But here's my target. Make sure no one's in my way. And my goal is to kick the target with my feet. You see it says roundhouse kick on the top right there. So for me, make sure no one's here. It would be I start here, kick, reset, and it says a fast kick. So I have to switch and go to a fast kick. Then it says a backside kick. So I go here, turn back, side kick. Then it says another backside kick. Reset, backside kick. And that's the gist of it. Practicing your martial arts skills. I can see my feet track, roundhouse, backside kick. I would be turning my feet this way. This goes here. Backside kick. And it tells me to do another roundhouse. It's all random. So, whoop, make sure the cord's on the way. Roundhouse. Fast kick. Another roundhouse to the right side. Another backside kick. That's the gist.
Cool. Cool. So you are like building this with
Unity.
Unity, yeah.
All in Unity.
Cool.
3ds Max for modeling, and texturing, but it all came together with Unity using the Vive.
Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Make it public on Facebook. Hashtag SWHacks17 and hashtag demo day for a chance at a giveaway.
So our application is an Alexa skill which gives you job recommendations and job search based on what you want from an Indeed API. Full-time positions.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
Running on my laptop.
Alexa, open smart jobs.
Hello, welcome to Smart Jobs app. I perform job searches based on your skills and also the good old keyword search. What can I do for you?
Give me jobs for Java and Python.
Great. Which city should the jobs be in?
Seattle.
Looking for jobs in Seattle. I can filter results to full-time or intern positions. What would you prefer?
Full-time positions.
Full-time jobs for Java and Python in Seattle are Job 1, entry-level software engineer at Launch Code, Job 2, Java engineer at Ticketmaster, Job 3, Java developer at Surlatop, Job 4, Java software developer, Amazon Web Services, Seattle, Washington, at Amazon Web Services Incorporated, Job 5, senior cloud software development engineer at Oracle. I've sent this data in a card to your Alexa app. Do you want similar jobs to any of these jobs? Give me the job number.
Job 1.
Jobs similar to entry-level software engineer. Job 1, software engineer at Google. Job 2, senior software engineer at Oracle. Job 3, software development engineer at PitchBook Data Incorporated. Job 4, software development engineer at CoreDev Incorporated. Job 5, software engineer at Amazon Corporate LLC. I've sent this data in a card to your Alexa app. All the best for your job search.
Oh, cool. So it actually works. So, how do you did you use some APIs for job search?
So to searching the job, we use the Indeed API to get the jobs out of the web. And for the job, finding similar jobs, what we do is use collaborative filtering, which uses NLTK and sklearns and pandas in Python to find jobs which are similar to the one that you like. So it finds like the top 10 jobs and just gives you the top 5, which is like the most similar to the job that you like.
Okay, so our project is called TikTok. It's essentially supposed to help you connect you to specialists, doctors, to help you figure out what your medical conditions are. Because every year, 12 million medical misdiagnoses are made within. Yeah, every year there are 12 million medical misdiagnoses made within the country. And by connecting people to specialists who are more in-depth with the specific area of medicine, we're aiming to reduce that number because it can mean the difference between life and death for many cases.
The website's also made to make this process more accessible to patients because they can access it like on their phone or like anywhere that they have internet, and it just makes it a lot easier. Like if like you go to a doctor and then they're like, oh, you need to get a scan right now, and then you can just type in like the zip code that you are in right now, and like where you are in the website, and then it'll show you like a nearby specialist in that area.
Yeah. So we try to make our interface as intuitive as possible. So it's really simple. You'll see there's like one button on the login page. It just says sign in. If you go to it and you click sign in, it just opens up a sign in form. You can type in your username, password, and then you would just click login. Or if you didn't have an account, you would just go to create a new account. And then once you logged in, it would take you to this other page. So this is the main page. So from here, this is where you can do everything. You can find doctors. So for example, let's say you wanted to find a dentist. You would have a drop-down menu, so you could scroll down and click on dentist, or you could start typing dentist and it would pop up. You put in a zip code, you search, and it gives you all the nearby doctors that fit that description and what their ratings are. You can select one and schedule an appointment with them. And then once you've scheduled those appointments, you can go to your appointments and see all your upcoming ones. From here, you can edit those appointments, you can cancel them, you can have a calendar view of them, so you see how your appointments are spaced throughout the month. After that, you can also see your bills. So, for example, you would have your current charges, you can select some of them. You can pay those after you select them. You can also pay individual ones. It tells you what each charge is for, when you got it, which doctor you saw, how much insurance is covering, how much you're paying, and it also tells you all your past charges. So it's really compact. It's just giving you all the information you need to see, and it's really simple and intuitive. So you see it and you know what's there.
Cool. So yeah, that's your concept. That's really cool.
So this was the front end. So I wrote this in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
And then we did the back end, and that's over here. And so this uses Java. So this is to actually make that functional. And so like over here, like this would actually have all the doctors, and if you like click the cardiologist and you search it, they would actually pop up. The ones that are a cardiologist, and it organizes it by the closest distance. So like the specials will pop up first. And so we just use Java.
Java, yeah.
Yeah, and Eclipse. Total of that.
Cool. That's awesome. Yeah. I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There were two software developers and two electrical engineers. Yeah, and we developed this car from scratch and made the RTX communication and Java interface come to life.
Cool. Yeah, so you're coding in Java? Yeah.
Yes.
That's your like backend?
Yeah, probably just the front end console.
So you build that UI for yourself? The GUI?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool.
Okay, restart.